Hello there everyone, welcome back to Ants Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic what makes an ant a Hymenoptera. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants are Hymenoptera because they have four membranous wings, a narrow waist, compound eyes, modified ovipositor and polymorphic colonies. Moreover, they have biting or chewing mouth parts and are pollinators of plants. They have small or medium-sized bodies and go through complete metamorphosis. Small to medium-sized arthropods are part of the order Hymenoptera, having stinging potential wings and biting mouthparts that are not found in other orders. Ants belong to the Hymenoptera order because their body features and behavioral characteristics are similar to the insects that are part of this order. The word Hymenoptera is a combination of two Greek words, hymen and pteron, which means membrane and wings. Accordingly, this order comprises organisms with two pairs of thin, transparent, and varying-side membranous wings. Ants belong to this order because they have membranous wings attached to their thorax region by a short flexible muscle or hook-like structure, allowing them to engage in a flexible flight. Thorax is subdivided into prothorax, mesothorax, and metathorax, and a pair of front or backside membranous wings are firmly attached to the last two segments. The forewings are bigger than the hind wings and provide maximum power for flight because smaller hind wings have less powerful muscles. However, the hind wings can give some support in flight by providing an additional surface area to generate better lift in the air by synchronizing the movement. So they are part of the order Hymenoptera because they possess membranous wings, which is a primary characteristic of members of this group. The Hymenopterians have a narrow waist as their bodies are divided into three distinct segments. In the same way, you can identify ants by constriction between the thorax and abdomen. These insects develop their waist during the pupae stage when they get a constriction between the abdomen or thorax, when the small part of the abdomen becomes the waist after pressing against the thorax. This constriction gives a narrow shape to their waist that makes them look like termites, but the segments of their elbow antennae create the difference between these two insects. Moreover, their thin waist is known as the petiole, which is the region between the gaster and mesosoma. You can find this prominent feature among all ants distributed throughout the world. They are included in the order Hymenoptera because they have biting or chewing mouth parts to cut the food particles into small sizes that are easy to swallow. Their mouth parts include mandibles, maxilla, labrum, and labium, commonly present in other insects belonging to this order. Moreover, their mandibles are sharp and curvy that can pierce through the skin and cause bites. It helps defend against predators' attack as their bites are painful. In the same way, ants can chew larger particles using teeth or mandibles because they cannot eat a larger earthworm at once without breaking it into smaller parts. Most of them have compound eyes consisting of multiple lenses for a better view of an object but give a blurred image due to lower resolution. Hymenopterians usually have polymorphic colonies comprising members with slightly varying physical and biological features. Similarly, ants have polymorphic colonies as their nest contains three different castes of members. Most of their population consists of workers that are sterile female and perform nest activities. They have male drones and female queens that are reproductive members of the colony, having wings on their bodies, unlike workers. Such polymorphic colonies have a proper division of tasks depending on their caste. As workers do not reproduce, so they forage for food and feed other inactive members of the colony. However, the queens and males do not leave the nest for foraging and go out only at the time of mating, when they have to reproduce and raise the colony population. Thanks for watching the video.